Tell me the name of your band.
Silver Bird Steel Band.
I'm Brian.
And I'm Bobby.
I'm Mark, aka Fire.
Dean. Junior.
Demille.
We're just rocking it for the crowd. We're here to perform for the crowd, let them know Silverbird is taking over the whole hemisphere.
Where are you from?
Jamaica.
All the way from Jamaica.
All the way from Jamaica.
And how come you're in Hermosa Beach?
Hey, give thanks to Judith over there.
Yeah.
She's our marketing manager. She's the reason why we're here.
They won in the World Championships. They're our champions.
Why'd you stop playing again?
The top said the crowd is too big.
You just had too many people?
Yeah, too many people.
Okay, well that's for
Obstructing traffic.
you get for being too good.